she would become their sex slave or offer them free sexual services for life.
You gonna come?
Jeff,
come on, let's go. How are you gonna reach over that far?
He believed
Huh?
had promised
You
him
think you can
sex
do it,
for
Lenny?
life. And then
Do I need to move the
he was gonna
table
have a
for
sex
you?
slave.
Huh? Come
Or
on.
He was gonna have his
Come on.
own guilt.
One of the most bizarre motives I've heard. I've heard a lot
Here,
of
let me
things,
pull a
but
chair closer.
pretty much
Yes,
the
hang on.
most bizarre.
There you go.
He was a
There you go. Chair's closer. Now you can come.
to say that
Oh,
he
look
was
at you.
willing
You want a
to
pistachio?
his sex
Here.
slave forever. That was
Look at you and your big birdie feet.
just like
What's that?
candy to a child.
Jeff tells the cops how he carried out the hit in order to win his reward from Patty.
We think we're actually
Is that
several
good?
attacks made on Frederick that day.
Is that good?
He thought about
Mmm. Num num num.
with some type of brain cleaner or some type of chemical and trying to poison. Well, that particular attempt was failed because Frederick apparently was going to see his young son later today.
How you doing, Goofy?
Jeff pulls out Plan B,
You're silly.
his sister's knife.
Are you silly? Do you like pistachios? Huh? Is that good? Can I get you? Oh, I'll get you. Did you eat it all?